Okay guys, Jason here again. So, last night I was showing my little Newport solid fuel little heater burning coal. So tonight I'm going to try the pellets. So I went ahead and I cleaned out all of the ash out of that and the ashtray down below here. So I'm going to try to start it like I do the pellet stove in the house and see what it does. So I got a little chunk of paper here. It's about 4 foot by maybe, 4 inches by maybe 6 inches. So I take that, I set it on the bottom here. There's air vents on the sides that the air still vents up through. And the reason I put that there is so when I put the lighter fluid on the briquettes, it doesn't drip down into the ashtray and just flame like crazy. So let's put a scoop of pellets here. Put it just on top of there like that. Take the lighter fluid. And I just like to dab a little bit, a few drips of lighter fluid in there. Okay. Might have accidentally got a little too much because it's hard to do while I'm filming. Then I grab my one of these long lighters. Well, first off, turn this on full burn. Now that I fixed the ashtray like I showed you with just some insulation around it, it now seals. This damper now works. So let's go ahead and light it up and we'll see what happens. Okay, so just wait here for a little while, and you see on the side the door does not seal, but doesn't seem to really matter much. Yeah, I dripped some lighter fluid on the outside here, so I'll go ahead and turn that down a little bit. Just have to wait for it to start heating up the stovepipe here. Still cold to the touch. Oh, I know what I forgot to do. Gotta turn off this super vent. Okay, so you turn that off. And now, because that's probably sucking air down the chimney until it gets warmed up a little bit. Get a little bit of heat coming. Not up all the way again. So we'll see what it does with pellets here. And my hands are all dirty. Cleaning the stove. Yep, boring, boring, boring. Waiting for the fire to go. I wish it did have that viewing window, then we could see inside what it's doing. But it doesn't. It's getting warmer anyway. Still on the side here you can see a little bit around the door, because the door is not sealed. You can see a little bit of flame in there. Yeah, like I said, I think I put a little bit of too much lighter fluid on it. Hard to tell when I was trying to look through the view screen on my camera here. Okay. Well, they're burning. Holy crap. Okay. I've never tried it before, so we'll see. Get those going and get some coals built up, and then I should be able to toss another scoop of pellets on top of them. And then should be good to go. I can already feel some pretty good heat coming off of this thing. Okay, I think they're good for me to go ahead and lower the burn to about there, and then I'll just toss another scoop of pellets on it and see what it does. So let's try it. Oh darn. Okay, this is not the way I normally do it because I only have one hand, but boy. Okay, one scoop of pellets coming up. Okay, and let's close up the door. Open this up just a little bit more. Open it up about halfway. See what it does. Okay, on the side I can still see it's flaming a little bit, so it's burning still. Now, pellet stoves are usually forced air, but I don't know if this will do it or not. So last night I showed you it burning coal, that box of coal I got down there, and tonight I'm going to try the pellets and see how it does. And it's burning, it's putting up some good heat. It's not glowing up there. Stovetop's not glowing, so that's good. It's burning good. So it does seem to be burning pellets. Let's take a look inside again. Oh yeah, it's burning pellets, you guys. So there you go. Looks like pellets, coal, charcoal, and now I don't know, wood. Now that this damper works, it should burn everything, anything I put in there that's, you know, normal types of fuel source. That should do it. Alright guys, thank you for watching. So this is part 3 of my review on the Newport little wood stove, stainless steel. It's working good. Alright, bye.